Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are from group consists of 5 members from high voltage engineering subject. We'll talk about the double circuit. First member is Muhammad Azri bin Helmi, matric number 182508. Second one is Muhammad NAZRIN bin NASIRRUZAMAN 184995. Muhammad HAFZAN bin KAMAL AZMI 183871. Adam FAHMI bin ABDUL 181754. And Muhammad SYAZWAN bin RUDIN 181717. Okay, voltage doubler is a voltage multiplier circuit which has an voltage multiplication factor of 2. The circuit is basically consists of only 2 diodes, 2 capacitor and an AC input voltage. This simple diode capacitor pump circuit gives an DC output voltage equal to the peak to peak value of the sinusoidal input. Voltage multiplier are similar in many ways to rectify in that they convert AC to DC voltage for use in many electrical and electronic circuit applications. Generally, the DC output voltage of a rectifier circuit is limited by the peak value of its sinusoidal input voltage. But in the using combination of rectifier diodes and capacitor, we can effectively multiply this input peak voltage to give a DC output equal to some or even the multiple of the peak voltage value to the AC input voltage. Okay, I will show on the circuit that we simulate in the LTSpice. These are the circuits consist of the AC input, 2 capacitor and 2 diodes. Okay, in this case we use diode 1N4005 because this diode is available in the electric lab, and then the capacitor value of 2.2 microfarad. Okay, the function of diode is to ensure the current flow is in one direction only. By having this switching can be performed by the circuit. Sine wave input signal was applied to the voltage supply. Okay, I will show the simulation of the LTSpice. Alright, in the simulation, I configure the circuit to the sine value and then peak voltage of 5 volt and a frequency of 50 Hz. Simulate. First, we test the value out from the input signal up to 5 volt. And after going through the circuit, we can see the waveform generated multiplied to the power of 2. This graph is not exceeding 10 because there is some resistance in the circuit and some loss due to the configuration of the circuit. Okay, it is almost double the voltage from the initial voltage from the AC supply. Okay, the circuit shows half voltage doubler because during the first half cycle of the sinusoidal input waveform, basically the diode D1 is forward biased and conducts charging up to the pump capacitor C1. C1 is nearly to the peak value of the input voltage because there is no return path for capacitor C1 to discharge. The charge remain full, acting as the storage device in the series of the voltage supply. Because at the same time, the diode D2 conducts via diode D1 that charge to the capacitor C2. During the positive half cycle, diode D1 is reverse biased, blocking the discharging of C1, while diode D2 is forward biased, charging up to capacitor C2. But because there is a voltage across C1 already equal to the peak input voltage, capacitor C2 charges to twice the peak voltage of the input signal. Okay, basically this is the simulation, and that is the information on the voltage doubler. Okay. Another information, we can reversing the direction of diode and capacitor in the circuits. we can also reverse the direction of the output voltage, creating a negative voltage output. Also, if we connect the output of one multiplying circuit onto the input of another circuit, we can continue to increase the DC output voltage in integer step to produce voltage triple or quadruple circuits. Okay, then thank you.